on last night. Of course, it's wet sumped right up to the bottom of the OD of the main bearing. See, the oil level in the tank is rather low. I have a clear hose on the return line so we can see when it's pure oil and when the air bubbles start. And we're going to find out how long it takes to clear a wet sump with the engine running. So there's the overhead oil line. It's fed back into the crankcase like it would be on a normal motor. A little bit of weight on there just to keep this plastic cover down so there isn't oil going everywhere. And there is restrictors in the oil lines, both to the crank and to the overhead, to basically so that it produces some oil pressure and is able to force the oil up to the top end of the motor. And so now the oil's on, and we'll get it going. So there's 1500 RPM, nice warm up idle. Pure oil coming out of the scavenge pump. And we'll see how long it takes for the scavenge pump to catch up to the oil that is coming into the motor. No signs of air yet. Looks like the oil level in the motor has dropped 3/4 of an inch. There's the first bubbles. So that's how long it took to clear it. Pull the barrels off.